Have you ever wondered how fast our brain determines if someone is sexually attractive? It may surprise you to know that this decision is made in a split second. Yes, you heard right. Our brain takes less than a second, in fact half a second to be precise, to determine if a person is sexually attractive to us. This intriguing insight was revealed by a study published in Neuroimage in 2008. Think about it, it's a lightning-fast process. Almost as if our brain has a built-in radar that instantly scans and assesses the attractiveness of people we encounter. A remarkable feat of human biology, wouldn't you agree? But here's another fascinating tidbit. It might take even less time for our brain to deem someone unattractive. That's right, our brain's rapid-fire assessment works both ways, not just in identifying attraction but also in recognizing its absence. It's like an automatic filtering mechanism that quickly sorts and categorizes our initial perceptions about people. So what does this mean for us? Well, it underscores the power and speed of our subconscious mind in shaping our initial reactions and judgments. It's not always about lengthy contemplation or thoughtful analysis. Sometimes our brain makes snap decisions, and these rapid assessments can significantly influence our interactions and relationships. This also highlights the crucial role of first impressions. As the saying goes, you never get a second chance to make a first impression. And in the realm of sexual attraction, this first impression is formed in less than a second. So, the next time you feel an instant attraction, remember, your brain made that decision in less than a second. It's a testament to the incredible efficiency of our brains and the complex psychology of attraction. So, let's appreciate our brain's quick-fire assessment skills and the fascinating science behind our perceptions of sexual attractiveness. Did you know that our voices can play a significant role in our attractiveness? Yes, you heard that right. According to a fascinating study published in the Journal of Nonverbal Behavior in 2013, the sound of our voice can significantly impact how sexy or attractive we are perceived by others. The researchers discovered that women have the unique ability to alter their voices to sound more appealing. How do they do this? By lowering their pitch and increasing vocal hoarseness. This combination can create a sultry, seductive voice that is often associated with sexiness. Think of the classic femme fatale in old Hollywood films, a woman who speaks in a low, husky voice that seems to draw people in. That's the power of a sexy voice. But here's a twist. While women can effectively alter their voices to sound sexier, the same cannot be said for men. The study found that men were actually rated as sounding less attractive when they tried to adopt a sexy voice. It seems that the deep, husky voice that many men attempt to imitate in order to sound more appealing might not be as effective as they think. This intriguing research shows us that there's more to attraction than just physical appearance. The way we sound, the way we speak, can have a profound effect on how we are perceived by potential partners. It's a fascinating aspect of human psychology and sexuality, providing yet another layer to the complex nature of attraction and desire. So, the next time you're preparing for a date or a romantic night out, remember this: your voice matters. And ladies, if you want to add a little extra allure to your persona, try lowering your pitch and adding a touch of hoarseness. You might be surprised at the results. So ladies, the next time you want to sound sexy, remember to lower your pitch and add a touch of hoarseness. What if I told you that what happens after sex can be as important as the act itself? It might sound surprising, but it's true. Let's delve into a fascinating study from 2014, published in the Archives of Sexual Behavior, which sheds light on this intriguing aspect. The researchers found that post-sex activities such as cuddling, kissing, and affectionate talking can significantly enhance both sexual and relationship satisfaction. Now you might be thinking, surely the act of sex itself is enough to foster satisfaction. Well, not quite. The study suggests that these tender moments of intimacy after sex, often overlooked in the hustle and bustle of life, can have a profound impact on our relationships. They can deepen the emotional bond between partners, fostering a sense of closeness and contentment that goes beyond physical satisfaction. Imagine lying in your partner's arms, exchanging sweet nothings, and basking in the afterglow of a shared intimate experience. These moments are not just about physical comfort, they are about emotional connection, about understanding, about two beings coming together in the most profound sense. Interestingly, the study found that this effect was even more significant for couples with children. Perhaps the demands of parenthood make these quiet moments of intimacy even more precious, even more necessary. Amidst the chaos of daily life, these moments serve as a reminder of the love that binds the family together. But it's not just about couples with children. This study underscores the importance of post-sex intimacy for all couples. So whether you're in the throes of passionate young love or celebrating decades of togetherness, take the time to cuddle, to kiss, to talk after sex. These moments matter. In conclusion, it's not just the act of sex that fosters satisfaction, it's the intimacy and connection that comes afterward. It's the quiet moments of togetherness, the whispers of love, the gentle touch of a loved one's hand. So next time, linger a little longer in your partner's arms. Embrace the silence, the intimacy, the connection. Remember, it's not just the sex, but the cuddling and talking after that counts. Did you know that normal libido levels can significantly vary among individuals? Let's delve into a fascinating aspect of human sexuality that often goes unnoticed: asexuality. Asexuality is a sexual orientation where an individual experiences no or minimal sexual attraction or desire for sexual activities. It's not a disorder or a condition, but a valid identity on the wide and diverse spectrum of human sexuality. The existence of asexuality brings into focus the fact that sexual desires are not a one-size-fits-all phenomenon. Just like the myriad colors on an artist's palette, the spectrum of sexual desire is broad, diverse, and unique to each individual. Some people have a high sex drive, experiencing intense sexual desires frequently. Others have a moderate libido, where sexual attraction is present but not a dominating factor in their lives. Then there are those who identify as asexual, experiencing minimal to no sexual attraction. However, it's essential to understand that asexuality is not synonymous with celibacy or abstinence, where individuals consciously choose to refrain from sexual activities. Asexuality is about innate attraction, not a personal choice or a lifestyle decision. Moreover, asexuality doesn't equate to a lack of romantic feelings. Many asexual people experience romantic attraction and can form deep, intimate connections with others. They might engage in relationships, get married, have children, and lead fulfilling lives, just like anyone else. The recognition of asexuality underscores the understanding that sexual desire is complex, varied, and deeply personal. It challenges the societal notion of normal libido levels, highlighting that there's no standard measure for sexual desire. What's normal for one person might be too high or too low for another. So the next time you compare your sexual desire to others, remember, normal is a broad spectrum. It's not about fitting into a preconceived mold, but about understanding and embracing your unique place on the spectrum of sexual desire. Embrace your sexuality, whatever it might be, because there's no right or wrong way to experience attraction. It's your journey, your story, and it's perfectly okay to be you. What if sex could be a natural stress reliever before undertaking stressful tasks? A fascinating question, isn't it? Well, let's delve into a rather intriguing study that offers some insight into this. In 2006, a study was published in the journal Biological Psychology, which explored the idea of sex as a stress buffer. The research focused on penile vaginal intercourse, or PVI for short, and its potential to lower stress levels and blood pressure before stressful tasks. These tasks ranged from public speaking to challenging quizzes, situations we've all found ourselves in, feeling the weight of stress on our shoulders. The researchers found that engaging in PVI before these tasks indeed had a significant effect on stress levels. Participants who had PVI showed lower stress responses when faced with these tasks. Their blood pressure readings were significantly lower, indicating a physiological response to stress that was notably calmer. But why does this happen? It's an interplay of hormones, neurotransmitters, and the body's natural responses. During PVI, the body releases a cocktail of hormones including oxytocin and endorphins. Oxytocin, often referred to as the love hormone, promotes feelings of bonding and relaxation. Endorphins, on the other hand, are our body's natural painkillers and mood elevators. Together, they create an environment in the body that is less responsive to stress. Now, it's important to remember that this is about consensual, enjoyable PVI. Stress reduction is a byproduct of a positive sexual experience, not the main goal. So it's not about using sex as a tool, but about understanding the potential benefits of a healthy sexual relationship. In essence, the findings of this study point to the possibility that sex can be more than just a source of pleasure. It can also be a natural stress reducer, helping us navigate stressful situations with a little more ease and calmness. So, sex might just be your best ally the next time you're stressed about a big presentation or exam. Ever wondered if sex could help manage pain? Well, brace yourselves for a surprising revelation. Sex, it turns out, is not just about pleasure or procreation. It can also play an intriguing role in pain perception. How, you ask? The answer lies in the magical properties of oxytocin, often referred to as the love hormone. Oxytocin gets released during arousal or orgasm, and it's not just for making us feel all warm and fuzzy. This hormone has a multitude of functions, one of which is its ability to alter our perception of pain. Yes, you heard that right. The rush of oxytocin that accompanies sexual activity can help reduce our sensitivity to pain. But how does this work? Well, oxytocin is a powerful neurotransmitter that acts on the brain's pain circuits. It essentially turns down the volume on the pain signals reaching our brain, making us less aware of the discomfort. It's like a natural anesthetic, dulling the pain and enhancing the pleasure. Now you might be wondering, does this work for everyone? Various studies have indeed shown that oxytocin can reduce pain sensitivity in both women and men. But here's the catch. It's not a one-size-fits-all solution. The degree to which sex and oxytocin can mitigate pain varies significantly among individuals. Some people might experience a marked reduction in their pain sensitivity, while others might notice only a slight difference. It's also worth noting that the pain-relieving effects of oxytocin are most potent during arousal or orgasm, so the timing is crucial. But despite these caveats, the potential of sex as a natural painkiller is truly fascinating. It adds another layer of complexity to our understanding of sexual activity, highlighting its potential therapeutic benefits. So the next time you're in pain, remember, sex might just be the aspirin you need. It's a testament to the intricate and multifaceted nature of human sexuality. And it's yet another reason to appreciate the extraordinary capabilities of our bodies.